Okay, team, here's the plan. You have to follow my instructions. Are you ready? Thor, I need you to go on top of the roof and create lightning as a distraction. By the power of Grayskull, I will not fail you. Hulk, I need you to go on top of the roof and break a fucking hole so the lightning can get through. Copy? Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Spiderman,
Yeah, what y'all deal with?
I need you to get the fuck out of here.
What? What you mean?
I need you to get the fuck out of here. You're not an Avenger. You need to go the fuck home.
So coming in the Avengers movie, you know what? Involve me? My youth. Matter of fact, I'm stronger than the whole on. Hey boy, you can't style me. Yo dog, let me tell you about yourself. First of all, you, me, stronger than you. Look for your head. Where A, Captain America. Where the C? Fool me, boxing in your face. That started like it even look right in your chest. You understand, nigga? With this flag you wear. You look like the Puerto Rican flag something. Suck camera, you're coward, you know. Yeah, what that on your head? Hammer. Where we come from? We are yard people. We carry real gun, real hammer. Bust your face. Suck camera. Them look thing up on boy, them thing up on your chest. What that? Eh? What the whole of that for? You even strong like man, bad mind or no bad mind. Oh no. None of you can't style me. Suck camera too. Hey, all on a bait. Can't do me nothing. I come chat boy. Hey, you, big and dumb. Smart when you know big and strong and them sitting there. But then you come big and strong and become big and dumb. Look for your head, you're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb. You don't have no sense. But Hulk smash. What? Smash your mama. That more smash your mama. Watch it. You're a coward. Watch it. You're big and dumb. Stupid ass clad. Look, you're just green for nothing. Like, you're just dumb. Look for your foot. You don't have shoes. You're dumb. You're stupid. Look for... Suck on no mama, love.